Demand cost reduction. I am Rafael Hertzberg, an energy consultant based in São Paulo, Brazil. The demand charge represents about 25 to 35% of the power bill for companies and institutions. It's an important cost. It may be reduced with a proven method I will show you, and there is a very interesting cost benefit associated with it. This is the demand profile of a 24/7 processing plant. The blue columns indicate the April 14th demand profile. The red line indicates the average daily profile in this year of 2022, and the green line indicates the contracted demand. Now, if we plot these occurrences in terms of their average and distance calibrated in standard deviations, most probably you will get a Gauss distribution curve. And here is my proposal that has been tested for many years successfully. Reduce one standard deviation in terms of recorded demand. And so the distance between the maximum recorded demand and the average demand divided by 3 is what is at stake. And if you look at the graph, you will see that the occurrence of these demands that are above 2 standard deviations is basically 2.5%. And so we are talking about 3 15-minute intervals per day. There are 4 steps to make it happen. The first one is discover in your specific case what are the controllable loads. They must have a significant kilowatt power volume involved. Step 2, make sure that you have a demand control system. Usually energy management systems incorporate that. And the idea is shedding designated loads when necessary. The third step is when the demand is controlled, these loads that were shed will be now switched on again. And of course, this will only happen 3 times per day. Let's take this example, and I refer to that slide that was showing the demand profile of that processing plant. Let's say that we will be reducing about 1 standard deviation, and the demand charge is about $10 per kilowatt per month, and the recorded maximum demand is 2,000 kilowatts, and the average demand is 1,500 kilowatts. So the standard deviation is 170 kilowatts. Annual savings, if we were able to shed 170 kilowatts, is 170 times 10 times 12 months per year. It will be $20,000 per year. Thanks for watching this video, and here goes my contact information.